Well, let's get started. Hola, it's me Didi, and welcome to a very scratchy back. Hold up. Okay, hola, it's me Didi, and welcome to this very special final episode of my Pride series. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click that little bell to get notifications, and follow me on Instagram also and all that stuff. Because of Pride Month, I've been doing lots of eyes based on the rainbow flag. I'm going to be separating the colors of the pride flag. I am under the weather. So, oh no. The camera shifted and I don't want to move it back. So, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna put my regular drag face on, the base, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do the eyes together. And I'm very excited. It's the final Pride eyes of the season, and I'm thankful that you're here on this journey with me. I hope you've had a nice and beautiful, prideful month of June, and carry that on through the rest of the year. Now, let's get right to it. We're doing a rainbow on my eyes again. Here we go. Okay, I've done the base of my makeup, cream, contour and all that stuff, so I'm gonna move forward with the rainbow eyes. I'm gonna use my Maron body paint palette, trusted in all my makeups. You know I use them. I'm just taking a big brush, some water. I always find I'm afraid at first, but trust that you'll be okay no matter what happens. Just put the thing on and finesse later. The reason I use these colors is because the pigmentation is so strong that it takes me way less time than applying more and more powders. Maybe it's because I don't have the right products, you know? Feel free to send me some, whoever has really good powders. That's the basic outline. Now I'm gonna put some powder to blend out the eyes and make them bigger. Whatever powders you have that match the colors. A long time ago I got this palette from Wet n Wild at like a CVS, and it just has like always worked for me, so that's what we're doing. And then I have this MAC, I think it's MAC Red. Moving on to the crease, which I'm doing with my black paint, like always, and then blending it out. I'm going to focus on the contour now and blush. Ugh, congestion, go away! Now it's time for glitter. Why? I don't know. I just feel like I need to keep going. Don't forget to clear your area for glitter, because if you get glitter on your powder, that's no good. Sorry. I don't have orange glitter, so I'm combining like a pink and a gold. We'll see what happens. Under my eyelid, my now traditional under eye sparkle. I have some of these fabulous Too Faced glitters. I'm gonna use them to kind of like blend things out a little bit. back to my palette. I'm gonna redraw my crease with black on top of the glitter because I really need that shape to pop, 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 pop. Since we already marked it once, it's easy to go at it again. Time for the eyebrows. So my wig is pinky purpley, so we're doing purple, pinky, fuchsia eyebrow. Oh my gosh, boogers are bad. I have this fabulous fuchsia MAC lipstick, which I love using, so I'm gonna do that over this like dark line. Beauty marked. I have one here, just filling it in. So I'm gonna put my wig on, get ready to go, and then I'll come back and maybe see if I can finesse it somehow. So I did some fixings on my face, some blending, some lashes, a little glitter on the lip, sparkle on the ear, but I'm putting some body glitter on using this, I got it at a Lawrence and Chico fashion show. And can you look at this? I mean, it even comes with its own little brush. First some white on the collarbone. Oh hello, oh hello. White on the highlight areas. Pink on the other places. Ooh. Plum color to create some shadow. Ooh. Oh, I love this. But I'm all face. All right, now that I'm all shiny, let's reveal the final look for real. This is the glitter eye makeup look. Pride-tastic, glitterific, all that stuff. This is not my real outfit. If you want to see the real thing put together with the whole look, check out my Instagram at Fuego. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining. Okay, cool.